This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to demonstrate the workings of relational operators using expr command. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to develop a shell script to evaluate the relational expressions using the relational operators. Let us now observe the demonstration of execution of the shell scripts solving the problem. The file expr06 is opened by giving a command vi expr06 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file expr06 are displayed by the vi editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the workings of each shell script line by line in the file expr06. The first line of the shell script is a command line. In UNIX, the command line starts with hash character. The second line of the shell script is an echo command. Echo enter two integer values. This echo command will display the text enter two integer values on the display device. The third line of the script is a read script, read n1, n2. This read script will read two values from the standard input device, and these two values will be assigned to the variables n1 and n2 respectively. The fourth line of the shell script is an assignment script. eq equal to backquote expr $n1 equal to $n2 backquote. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. In this assignment script, the expr will evaluate the relational expression n1 equal to n2. If the expression is true, it will return a value 1. If the expression is false, it will return a value 0. This value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to eq. The fifth line of the shell script is an assignment script. neq equal to backquote expr $n1 not equal to $n2 backquote. In this assignment script, the expr will evaluate the relational expression n1 not equal to n2. If the expression is true, it will return a value 1, otherwise it will return a value 0. This value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to neq. The next four lines of shell scripts are also assignment scripts. In each of the assignment script, the expr evaluates the relational expression and returns the value to the variable on the left hand side. The relational operators less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to are used along with the backslash character, because less than is normally treated as an input redirection operator and greater than is normally treated as an output redirection operator. The last 6 lines of the shell scripts are echo scripts. These echo scripts generates the outputs of the variables as well as the result of the relational expressions. Now we press escape:WQ inside the VI editor. The VI editor saves the file expr06 and then it returns the $prompt. To run the shell scripts available in the file expr06, we give a command sh expr06 at the $prompt. The shell displays a text enter two integer values. The user can enter the values as 10, 20. Then the shell generates 6 lines of output. In each line, the relational expression and its resultant value are outputted. To run the same shell script file again, we give a command sh expr06 at the $prompt. Then the shell starts the execution of the shell scripts available in the file expr06 one by one. The shell displays a text enter two integer values. If the user enters the inputs as 10, 10, then it generates 6 lines of outputs. In each line, the relational expression and its resultant value are outputted. Thank you.